The original XPS stood for Extra Performance Synthetics. And it was a two-stroke high-performance full synthetic oil, and we were promoting it heavily in the snowcross racing. It was kind of that simple as far as how it started out. We needed a brand by which we could build momentum on for the future.
As we start with the white sheet of paper of developing a new engine, we are involved. So we know before everyone the new needs of this engine. We make sure we have the oil that goes along with it. This mindset has always been the core of XPS. E-tec was one of the big tipping points,
It brought almost like new rules to the game.
It was a completely different style of two-stroke then. So it was like the new age of the two-stroke oil.
It totally changed everything as far as all the dynamics on the bearings and where we needed to have oil and at the right time.
And even today, 15 years later, e-tec is still by far the best two-stroke technology.
There is a huge race, gotta win type mentality within our company. It's all about performance. It's that throttle response. It's horsepower per cc, speed. This thing has got torture tested into extremes people would never imagine putting their own vehicle through.
Thousands of hours of validation.
From dirt to road to snow. We're learning all of the time. I think of our product 24 hours a day. I don't even feel it's a job. It's more of just a lifestyle and a passion.
XPS started from being one product, and now it's a full portfolio. There's not a boring day when you work at XPS.